Hey everyone, this is Coach Ferguson. I'll be teaching 7th and 8th grade PE this year, as well as all 6th grade PE, and I will also have quite a few of you for the My School Online PE. Let me talk to the My School Online PE people first. You guys will have two major responsibilities for me. The first one being you will check in with me every day for attendance. This will be done by answering an attendance question on Canvas. It's not really practical for me to carry a computer into the gym or out on the fields with me, so this is how you will check in with me, and then you can leave me any comments if you have got questions or concerns as well. That'll happen every day during your PE time slot. So if you have PE first period, you'll do that sometime between 8:30 and I think 9:20. Fridays, you will submit on Canvas a weekly activity log that tells me things you did to be active or stay in shape. It could be something like you did a workout video, or maybe you're lucky enough to be in one of the sports that are still playing. You went to practice that day, or you had a game that day. Kids are getting really creative about how they're staying active to earn their PE grade. That's going to be due every Friday, and that will get your participation, your dress out, and your sportsmanship grade for PE. I'll send you more information about that first week of school. For those of you who are going to be back at school with us, PE is going to be a little bit different this year. We are not allowed to use the locker rooms, therefore every day we will be meeting in the gym. This will start on Monday. You will come in and you will sit on different floor spots for attendance that will allow us to maintain social distance. And since we'll be in the gym, you will be asked to wear a mask during that time. We'll make announcements about what's going on that day or that week, and then we'll all move to our locations. Some of us will be in the gym, some of us will be on the outdoor courts, some of us will be on the on the track or on the field. The weather is going to play a big part on what kind of locations we use, because we will not be dressing out for PE this year. You need to wear clothes to school that will allow you to participate in PE as well as go to class when you're finished with PE. This is going to be a little bit of a challenge. We're working with administration to talk about ways where we can at least maybe find time to change your shirt. One thing you will be required to have every day is sneakers. That's how you're going to earn your dress out grade. At the end of class, we'll all come back in the gym so that the people who have been outside will have a little bit of time to cool down, and then we will all head to our next classes. The traffic pattern has not been determined yet. We're trying to figure out a way to enter and exit the gym so that we don't have any bottleneck situations, and we'll let you guys know that first week. Grades are going to be the same. You're going to have a dress out grade, that's going to be your sneakers, participation grade, playing that day, and then sportsmanship grade, your behavior. You will also have an activity log that we do on Fridays. It's a little bit easier for you because you're just going to write down what you did in PE every day. So you'll have 5 activities that you'll turn in on Fridays via Canvas. This is something we're going to make everybody do so that we're consistent across the board as to how people are earning their grades. This will also help us if we have to shut down again because of the virus. You'll already know what to do. We're just hoping to make this a smooth transition. We still want PE to be fun. We still want PE to be something you enjoy, but we understand it's going to be a little bit of a challenge. We are going to recommend you bring your own water bottle with you every day. That's going to eliminate crowds at water fountains and having a lot of people using the same water fountains. We want you to have your own water bottle for safety, and it's also good for you, and that's going to help us, just with everything. We're going to be selling PE uniforms that first week. Miss Briscoe has assured us that the dress code is going to be relaxed a little bit to help you in PE, it's going to help you who are taking PE, because we know you got to wear those clothes all day. If you buy a PE uniform from John Locke, that's going to be considered dress code, and you could wear that all day. Again, we'll be selling those in the first week. That's about it for now. We'll have a lot more information as well as a syllabus for you in that first week. We can't wait to see you guys. I hope everybody is safe and healthy and ready to get going. Take care.